Imagine a chemical reaction as a perfectly balanced tug of war. The forward and reverse reactions pull with equal force. This is chemical equilibrium, a dynamic, stable state where nothing appears to be happening, yet everything is in motion. But what happens if you disturb this piece? What if you apply a stress? This is where a powerful rule comes into play, Le Chatelier's principle. It states that if you push a system at equilibrium, it will push back to relieve that stress and find a new balance. It's a fundamental dance of chemistry. So how do we apply this push? One way is by changing concentration. If you add more of a reactant, one of the starting ingredients, the system shifts to use it up, producing more of the final product. It's like adding another person to one side of the tug-of-war. The rope moves until the forces are balanced again. Temperature is another powerful lever. Think of heat as either a reactant or a product. For a reaction that releases heat, adding more heat is like adding more product. The system responds by shifting backward, making more of the original reactants to absorb that extra warmth. For gases, pressure is key. Squeezing the container increases the pressure. To relieve this, the reaction will shift to the side with fewer gas molecules, the less crowded side. And what about catalysts? They're like a coach for both teams, speeding up the forward and reverse reactions equally. The system reaches its equilibrium balance much faster, but the final position of that balance doesn't change. Understanding this principle isn't just academic. It's the key to optimizing countless industrial processes, from creating fertilizers that feed the world to making the fizz in your soda. By knowing how to push, we can guide reactions to get exactly what we need.